Hello everyone, this is Mimosa and welcome back to my channel. This week has been a busy one, so I thought I'll slow down, take a little break and simply have some fun with watercolors. And then I spotted this brand new bottle of masking fluid that I had yet to open, and I felt that hey, this is the perfect excuse to experiment. So I ended up creating 3 little paintings and I can't wait to share them with you. All we need for this project is some masking fluid, a jar of soap water, an eraser to remove the dried masking fluid, 2 old paintbrushes, and of course watercolor paints. For the first painting, I'm creating an abstract design with flowing curved lines. There's no need to plan everything, just enjoy making shapes and letting the lines move naturally across the paper. I'll leave it aside until the masking fluid is completely dry. For the second painting, I'm creating a leafy plant design. I start by wetting the paper and adding permanent yellow dip near the bottom with touches of light green to create a soft glowing background. For the third painting, I'm painting an antique vase. I first sketch the outline and add some decorative patterns. Then I use masking fluid to preserve some details like dots, lines, and little designs. The masking fluid is dry, so I can start adding color. I'm using permanent yellow dip with brown. Remember that watercolor dries lighter than it looks when it's wet, so don't be afraid to make your colors a little stronger. Back to the plant painting, I begin building the first layer of leaves. This piece is created slowly with several rounds of masking fluid and watercolor. Each layer reveals new shapes and helps create the feeling of depth and overlapping leaves. For the first layer, I'm using horizon blue mixed with a little ultramarine blue and sap green. While the paint is still wet, I gently lift some areas with a kitchen towel to create soft texture and variation. I continue building the second layer with deeper yellows and greens. Once it's dry, I'll add another layer of masking fluid. Let's get back to the second layer of masking for the vase. Back to the layered leaves, I'm masking more leaves in the background. As for the really fine stems, I like to use a toothpick because it creates much thinner lines than a brush. Okay, now it's time to remove the masking fluid from the first and second painting. Then I will finish the plant painting with the final darkest layer of leaves. So to keep this video flowing, I won't show every single round of masking fluid, but the process is repeated the same way. Mask, paint, dry, and reveal. And here goes our finished paintings. Even though they all use the same masking fluid technique, each one has its own unique touch. I hope this little painting session inspires you to slow down, experiment, and enjoy the process of watercolor. And thanks so much for spending this wonderful time with me. I hope you have a peaceful day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye! Happy painting!